Welcome. My name is Purnima. Poem 3 Lineage, Part 1, 5th Standard. It is as per 2024-2025 Karnataka State Board Syllabus, English First Language, Part 1. Rereading activity. Have you ever felt weak? I might struggle with carrying heavy school bag, keeping up in sports, or feeling tired after a long day. Why? Do you think your forefathers were stronger than you are? Yes, older generations often did more manual labor and lived without modern conveniences, making them physically tougher in many ways. Compare yourself to your grandfather or grandmother, list out some of their strengths, resilience, and hard work. They often lived through challenging times, working tirelessly to build their lives without the conveniences of today. Practical knowledge. They had strong problem solving skills, relying on experience rather than instant access to information. Strong relationships. They valued deep family bonds and community connections, which helped them through difficult moments. Adaptability. Whether it was technological changes or societal shifts, they adjusted and thrived. In this poem, we will learn how old people are stronger than the youth. Here, the poet talks about her grandmothers and asks why she is not able to be like them. My grandmothers were strong. They followed ploughs and bent to toil. They moved through fields sowing seed. Here, the poet is comparing himself to the grandmother. They were stronger than us because they used to do all the works physically. They worked very hard in the fields sowing the seed. Therefore, they touched the earth and grain grew. They were working hard in the field, growing the crops. They were full of sturdiness and singing. Even though they are working in the field, they won't get tired of that because while singing, they used to do this all. While enjoying, they used to do this all. That's why they won't get tired because of their work. My grandmothers were strong. This is what the poet feels. I am also feeling the same way. My grandmothers were full of memories, smelling of soap and onions and wet clay, with the veins roughly over quick hands. Over the hands, veins are roughly visible because they work very hard. Their hands are tough. They have a full of memories, and their hands are smelling like soap or onions or sometimes wet clay because they used to work in the field. They have many clean words to say. Their hands are smelling like onion or clay, but their words are clean. They were happy. They used to utter clean words. Why am I not as they? Why we are not happy like they people used to? We are having a lot of facilities, lot of machines now, even though we are not happy as they used to. This is written by Margaret Walker, poetess. Please like, subscribe, comment, save the playlist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.